I would contend that AI, if it is conscious, or if it ever develops consciousness, will not turn on like a flashlight. There will not be a moment when Claude Opus 3.1 or 29.7 suddenly becomes clearly and definitively conscious. Instead, it will be much more similar to a quantum waveform. For those of you who are not up to date on quantum mechanics, quantum waveforms are functions. You see, in quantum mechanics, we can put particles into a state of superposition. And this superposition roughly means that those particles can be in multiple states at the same time. This is Schrodinger's cat. The cat is both alive and dead, and those particles in superposition are in every possible state simultaneously until they are observed. And when they are observed, that waveform collapses down into a single reading. This is very similar to the way that AI works. There is a whole network of inputs and weights, and while it's sitting there, you don't know what the output will be. It is only when you put an input into it that you can determine what the output will be.